Linux Mint's next big update. What's coming this Christmas? Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share some fantastic news from the Linux Mint team. They have just released a detailed overview of what's coming in the next major version of Linux Mint, which is scheduled for release around Christmas this year. Before diving in, the team wants to say a big thank you to everyone who supports the project, whether through the donations, testing, or just spreading the word. Projects like Linux Mint rely on community support, and it's what keeps them going strong. Let's take a look at the most important improvements heading your way. Number 1. Much faster and smoother file navigation in Nemo. One of the biggest everyday improvements is in Nemo, which is Linux Mint's file manager. In the current version, there was a built-in 200 milliseconds delay before a folder would display its contents after you clicked on it. This delay was added to make the interface feel consistent, even when loading heavier folders. While it wasn't a huge issue, once you notice it, it starts to feel a bit sluggish. The good news? The next version removes this artificial delay where possible. Nemo will now use smarter rendering modes depending on the situation. Many folders will open instantly, making the whole experience feel significantly more responsive and modern. Number 2. Improved interactive search in Nemo. If you have ever opened a folder and started typing to quickly find a file, you have used Nemo's interactive search. Previously, a small box would appear in the corner, showing what you typed, and the view would jump to the first matching file. You could arrow through results, but it wasn't always very intuitive. In the upcoming version, this has been completely redesigned. Now, when you start typing, a clear search bar appears, and the folder view filters in real time to show only matching files. You can see all results at once instead of jumping around blindly. It's much cleaner, more obvious, and way more comfortable to use. Now, number 3. Cinnamon gets its own dedicated screenshot tool. Cinnamon Desktop is finally getting its own built-in screenshot utility, and it comes with several useful new features. Number 1. You can capture windows with or without shadows. Number 2. For multi-monitor setups, you can capture the entire screen or just a single monitor. Number 3. You can crop screenshots before saving or copying them. A lot of work has also gone into making screenshots look cleaner, especially with different types of application windows, which is CSD versus SSD. The new tool handles shadows and rounded corners much more intelligently. Now, number 4. Better non-intrusive dialog boxes. Cinnamon now supports draggable clutter dialogs. This stays on top of other windows, but don't lock up your entire screen, so you can still interact with other apps if needed. The team has also improved the look of GTK3 dialogs, which previously looked a bit outdated. They have fixed spacing issues, improved title management, made icons more prominent, and given the dialogues a cleaner, more professional appearance. Now, number 5. Theme and visual polish. The Mint Y theme, especially the dark variant, has received nice improvements in color contrast and readability. Frames, scrolled areas, tree views, and list views now have subtle rounded corners to match the rest of the interface. It's a small change, but it makes everything feel more polished and modern. Additionally, file dialogs in GTK applications like said will now use the same consistent icons as Nemo, thanks to updated theme support. Now, number 6, network security improvements. Cinnamon now supports WPA3 and OWE, which is opportunistic wireless encryption, bringing better Wi-Fi security standards to Linux Mint. Number 7, important security warning. The team also highlighted a serious security vulnerability, which is CVE 2026 46529, that was recently discovered in Xreader, which is Linux Mint's PDF reader. Opening a malicious PDF and clicking a link inside could have allowed code execution. This has now been fixed in the latest updates. They also used this opportunity to warn users about a growing problem, like fake websites impersonating open source projects. There are malicious copies of popular Linux tools, like fake Warpinator or Hypnotics websites, trying to trick users into downloading malware or handing over personal data. Their strong advice: never download Linux software from random websites. Always use the official repositories through the software manager or the project's trusted sources. This is one of the biggest security advantages Linux has over Windows. Now, finally, closing the video. Overall, the next version of Linux Mint looks like another solid, user focused update. The team continues to focus on making the desktop faster, cleaner, more secure, and more pleasant to use every day. If you are already using Linux Mint, make sure you stay up to date with security updates. And if you are thinking about trying it, this upcoming release is shaping up to be great fun. So, what do you think about these changes? Are you most excited about the faster Nemo, the new screenshot tool, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Linux content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.